This episode is brought to you by King of Beards. This is my online shop where you can find high quality products that will help you grow a strong, healthy beard that not only looks great, but also will smell great as well. Definitely the people in your life that like to get up and close with you are gonna thank you for this one. These are products that I use personally. The link is below in the video description section, and if you use my coupon code KING, you'll get 15% off on your first order. Hey guys, what's happening? Welcome back to another episode here on FTD Facts. I'm your host, Leroy Kenton. And in this episode, I'm gonna be looking at some cases in which love won the battle over religion. Sometimes, love is enough for marriage to survive, and things like religion or caste, they don't really make a difference. But then again, there are times when religion plays such an important part in one's life, and it actually decides the course of someone's life, and people have to choose between them, love or religion. Either way guys, here are 10 celebrities who changed their religion for love. At number 10, we have Katie Holmes. Katie Holmes started following Scientology after marrying her superstar ex-husband, Tom Cruise. Now, she started practicing the religion just a few months after she started dating Tom Cruise, but unfortunately, their religion actually ended up being one of the reasons for their divorce. Tom Cruise, of course, is a very outspoken advocate of the Church of Scientology, and he was raised as a Christian originally, but adopted the faith of Scientology later on. However, Katie Holmes is no longer following this religion and demanded full custody of her and Tom Cruise's daughter, Suri Cruise. The celebrity in at the number 9 spot is Lindsay Lohan. So, Lindsay Lohan, of course, she's a very famous actress, and she was about to change her religion when she was dating her girlfriend, Samantha Ronson. Now, after a few years of being platonic friends, things took a romantic turn, and this was back in the year 2008. And then before long, Lindsay and Sam, they were spotted everywhere together. Lindsay Lohan was a Christian, but she was in the process of converting to Judaism for love. But the breakup between the couple halted her conversion process. Number 8 brings us Dharmendra and HEMA Malini.
बसंती कुत्तों के सामने मत नाचना, सांभा!
Dharmendra and HEMA Malini are one of the most adorable couples in Bollywood. Now, the actor was already married to his first wife, Prakash Kaur, when he fell in love with the dream girl of Bollywood. While she had already turned down marriage proposals from some other leading men in the industry, she couldn't help this time but fall in love. But one thing you probably didn't know about this couple is that they had to convert to Islam to marry each other. They had to convert to Islam because Dharmendra was already married to his first wife, Prakash, and couldn't have gotten married to HEMA before divorcing her according to the Hindu Marriage Act. So the couple decided to convert to Islam, and then they tied the knot with each other. Elizabeth Taylor comes up next. She is a legendary actress who had been married 8 times. Yeah, that's a whole lot. But for one of her marriages, she actually changed her religion to marry one of her lovers. On March 27, 1959, the 27-year-old film actress at the time, Elizabeth Taylor, she underwent conversion to Judaism in a ceremony at Temple Israel in Hollywood, California. Now, the ceremony ended a 9-month process undertaken by Elizabeth Taylor under the supervision of a Reform rabbi, Max Nussbaum. Sharmila Tagore comes in at number 6. For the love of Mansoor Ali Khan, Sharmila Tagore, she converted to Islam and changed her name to Begum AYESHA Sultana. Mansoor Ali Khan was a former captain of the Indian cricket team, and back on December 27th, 1968, they ended up tying the knot. Now, they had 3 children: Saif Ali Khan, who is a Bollywood actor, Saba Ali Khan, who is a jewelry designer, and Soha Ali Khan, who is also a Bollywood actress and TV personality. The next celebrity who changed her religion for love is Nargis. This famous actress, who passed away back in 1981, followed Islam before her marriage. She was one of the most popular actresses of her time, and she was a Muslim who fell in love with her colleague and popular actor Sunil Dutt. And how the story goes, it's pretty remarkable. Sunil Dutt actually rescued her after a fire broke out on the set of a movie, and Sunil Dutt rushed to her aid. So to get married to Sunil Dutt, Nargis, she had to change her religion, and she did it quite fearlessly. The move stunned India, which had recently partitioned. So Nargis had also adopted a new name upon accepting her Hindu religion, and that was Nirmala Dutt. The next celebrity is AYESHA TAKIA. AYESHA TAKIA married Farhan Azmi at the age of 23 years old. Both were married back in the year 2009, but before marriage, both of them enjoyed their dating lives a lot. AYESHA's husband Farhan is a businessman who also owns a hotel in Mumbai and is a Muslim. Now, it is said that AYESHA often went to Farhan's hotel. However, no information about their relationship was revealed then. But later, in 2005, both started to appear in public together. Now, the two of them, they enjoyed their love life for 3 years, and they had decided to take their relationship to the next level. AYESHA TAKIA changed her religion from Hinduism to Islam after marrying Farhan Azmi, and after this, the actress started putting Azmi in front of her name. The next celebrity is AMRITA SINGH. She was a Bollywood actress and was raised as a Sikh, but she fell in love with Saif Ali Khan, and when she married him, that was back in the year 1991. She ended up changing her religion to Islam and also had a traditional Islamic marriage. In at the number 2 spot, we have Isla Fisher. Isla Fisher was raised as a conservative Methodist, but before marrying Sacha Baron Cohen, she converted to Judaism, her husband's faith. And she said this: "I will definitely have a Jewish wedding just to be with Sasha. I would do anything, move into any religion to be united in marriage with him. We have a future together, and religion comes second to love as far as we're concerned." Isla Fisher, she completed her conversion in early 2007 after 3 years of intense study. And then she took on the Hebrew name Ayala, which is the Hebrew word for a female deer. And from there, she said that she also has been keeping the Jewish Sabbath. Coming in at the number 1 spot in this video is Drew Barrymore. When Drew Barrymore married art consultant Will Kopelman in 2012, she adopted many of his religious traditions despite not officially converting. She also said that they were raising their daughters, Olive and Frankie, in the Jewish faith. Now, during a 2013 appearance on The View, this is what she said: "I'm a shiksa. I do the Sidurs and we do Passover. I haven't converted yet, but Olive will be raised traditionally. We had a very traditional wedding ceremony with Rabbi Rubinstein, and I did the ketubah. We wore the yarmulkes and we had the chuppah. It is a beautiful faith and I'm so honored to be around it." She also went on to say this: "It's so family oriented, the stories are so beautiful, and it's incredibly enlightening. I'm really happy." All right, everybody, thanks for watching this. That's all I got for you on this episode, looking at 10 celebrities who changed their religion for love. So let me know down below in the comments section, if you were in these celebrities' shoes, would you choose love over religion or religion over love? Let me know your thoughts and comments down below. If you did enjoy this one, don't forget to leave a big thumbs up. Thanks for hanging out with me in another video here on FTD Facts, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next one.